Hello students, welcome to Sai Ram Education channel. In this session, I am going to solve exercise 1.1 of relations and functions. First main, determine whether each of the following relation are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, first one is relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. R is a relation here xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. First we find the set of order pairs here related to 3x minus y is equal to 0. So here here 3x minus y is equal to 0. So we choose x and y from the set A here. So x y belongs to A. X comma y belongs to A. So therefore first 3 into 1 from set A minus 3. So this is equal to 0. 3 into 1 is 3, minus 3 is equal to 0. Here x is 1, 3 is a y. So therefore 1, 3 is a first order pair. Next 3 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Here x is 2, y is 6. So that is 2, 6, second order pair. 3 into 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. That is 3, 9, third order pair. So 3 into 4 minus 12. So 3 into 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Here x is 4, y is 12. That is fourth order pair is 4, 12. So more than this 3 into 5 is 15. 15 is not belongs to A. Therefore we cannot find more than these set of order pairs. So therefore R is equal to 1, 3 set of order pairs, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Okay, these are the set of order pairs. Okay, first we find reflexivity. First reflexivity. The condition for reflectivity is x related to x belongs to A, x comma x related to R. Okay, from above set of order pairs, 1 comma 1 not belongs to R, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and so on not belongs to R. So therefore R is not a reflexive relation on A. Next, second one is symmetric. The condition for symmetric relation, x related to y, this implies y related to x. So xy belongs to A. So x comma y related to R, y comma x related to R. This is a theory. So we check such order pairs are there or not. Okay, so here 1 comma 3 belongs to R. See here 1 comma 3 belongs to R here, order pair, but 3 comma 1 order pair not belongs to R. Therefore R is not a symmetric relation on A. Next transitivity. Transitivity. Yes. Transitivity. The condition for transitivity is x is related to y and y is related to z. Okay, this implies x is related to z. X comma y comma z belongs to A. Okay, so these three numbers related to set A. Okay, we check whether 1 3 related to R. So set of order for 1 3 related to R. 3 9 related to R, but 1 9 not related to R. So therefore 1 9 not related to R. See here 1 3 related to R, 1 3 related to R, 3 9 related to R, 1 9 not related. It means 1 9 order pair not in the set R. Therefore R is not a transitive relation on A. So by all these above discussions, the relation R is neither reflexive, symmetric nor transitive. Okay, next session.